Hello and welcome to Western. This video will walk you through how to use Zoom for your advising and registration A&R session. So what is Zoom? Zoom is a web conferencing service that allows people to access virtual meetings and communicate with others through video, audio, and screen sharing. Zoom can be used on different devices including laptops, smartphones, and tablets. Joining a Zoom meeting on a phone can make it difficult to participate in your advising and registration session. For this reason, joining from a laptop or tablet is strongly encouraged. It is recommended to download the Zoom app, which is compatible with phones, laptops, and tablets. This way, your display name and preferences will be saved with your account. All students are able to access a Zoom account through Western. To learn more about activating your WWU Zoom account, go to atus.wwu.edu and click Sign in to your Zoom account. It is not necessary to download or create a Zoom account to participate in advising and registration though. To do this, you will just need to check your email. You will receive an email 24 hours prior to your A&R session from the Office of Orientation and Transition containing your Zoom link. Click Join Zoom Meeting to join. When you click to join your A&R Zoom link, it typically opens in your web browser and prompts you to either launch the Zoom app or join from the browser. If you have the app installed, it will open automatically. You will see a pop-up window where you can toggle your audio and video on or off. For A&R, you will want to join with both audio and video so that you can see and hear throughout the meeting. You will enter a waiting room and see a welcome message. You may be waiting a bit while the host is setting up. Once admitted, you can click on the video or audio icons at the bottom of the screen to turn these items off and on. When there is a red slash through the icon, the item is off. If you are having issues with audio or video, click the small caret to the right of either icon. Your audio and video icons are located in the bottom left-hand corner of your Zoom screen. The carets allow you to confirm your microphone, speaker, and camera settings. If you are having issues joining the Zoom call as a whole, please reach out to the Office of Orientation and Transition at 360-650-3846. Once you are in the main session, you will see the host who is checking you into your A&R session and potentially other students who are also attending. If you would like to change your display name, hover over your image and click the three dots in the upper corner. You will see the option to rename. Click this and update your name with the first name you go by and your last name, and then click Change to save your changes. There are tools along the bottom of your Zoom screen that may come in handy throughout your A&R session. Towards the left of the icons, you will have the ability to use the chat. Here you can send messages to the group and can choose to send messages to people individually. Throughout the presentation, you may use the chat to ask questions or see messages from others. Another tool you may use is the Share Screen button. In the middle of your icons at the bottom of your Zoom screen, you will see a green button with an up arrow in it titled Share. Using the Share Screen button allows you to display windows on your device to show others in the Zoom. When you are planning your courses with an advisor one-on-one, sharing your screen can be a helpful way to look at class information together. Throughout the day of your advising and registration session, you will be moved into different rooms within the Zoom session called breakout rooms. The host who is managing the Zoom room will send you a notification to join the room you are assigned to. When this occurs, you will see a pop-up message on your screen. Click Join and you will see your screen loading you into the breakout room. If you click Not Now, the pop-up notification will disappear and you will remain in the main session. To join the breakout room if this occurs, click the cube breakout room icon on the bottom right of your screen and then join the room. In the bottom right-hand corner of your Zoom screen, you will see a button to leave. When you are in a breakout room, if you click the Leave Room button, you will see two options display: Leave Meeting and Leave Breakout Room. If you leave the meeting, you will be exiting the Zoom call entirely. If you leave the breakout room, you will return to the main session with the Zoom host where you started. Clicking the X in the top right corner of your screen will provide the same prompts. Your host can help you get back into your breakout room if you accidentally leave the room. Whether you have used Zoom before or not, advisors are here to support you during your advising and registration session. We look forward to seeing you there.